to my garden. So on today, I am going to be putting up some shade cloth because I'm here in San Antonio, Texas, in Zone 8B, and it has got extremely hot. We are over 100 degrees right now. So last year when it got this hot, a lot of my plants and vegetables and stuff, they just burnt up because it was just extremely hot. So this year I'm gonna put up some shade cloth. So I ordered some shade cloths on Amazon, and I have one that I already had that I got a couple of months ago. So I have like a 10 by 20 shade cloth, and I have this one. This is a 10 by 12, and so I'm gonna hang the shade cloth across the garden. And so I'm gonna also use some little clips that I got to kind of hold the shade cloth up, and then I also got some holes that I'm going to put in for the shade cloth. So but I'm going to put the shade cloth in to see how it works, to see if it's going to help my plant some, because again last year, I mean, my garden, it just didn't survive. It was just extremely hot, and the heat just kind of, you know, demolished everything because everything was just suffering. But we're gonna put these shade cloths up, and we're gonna see how it works. All right, so what I did was I put the little hooks on here, and then I'm just gonna put the All right, so I got the shade cloth up. It looks pretty decent. I think this is going to help out a lot compared to last year. So I think this is going to help a lot. So I'm satisfied. I might put another pole right here and bring this out to here, just to give it a little bit more support. But so far, I like it. So far, so good. All right, and I am sweating hard. So let me know what you guys think. Give me any feedback on the shade cloth. I'm finna go because I'm hot and sweaty, and I need to go in. Thank you. God bless you guys. Have an amazing day.